afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb year 2010 government pass question. Question number 40. The question number 40 here says Decree 34 of 1966 was unacceptable to many Nigerians because it was dash. The question number 40 says Decree 34 of 1966 was unacceptable to many Nigerians because it was dash. A. Promulgated without consultation with the people. B. Perceived to abolish the federal system. C. Considered as alien. D. Seen as an instrument of impoverishment. So, and the essence, the reason why people or Nigerians, rejected Decree 34 of 1966 is because top Nigerians or Nigerians as whole were not consulted. So promulgated without consultation with the people, so the people were not aware about the decree. The decree just came in suddenly and in operation. So that is the reason why many Nigerians considered it unaccepted. So option A is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.